Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel with the link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the Kiwi dollar, I mean, the trend is definitely still up on every single higher time frame. We're on the 1 hour time frame. To me, it definitely does look like a possible like wave A, and this is possibly like a wave B, and it possibly could go down for a wave C. For me personally, I am not trading it to the short side because the trend is up on every single time frame. Now, if we get a Fibonacci bounce and a break back to the downside, then I could definitely at that point justify looking for shorts on shorter time frames, but it definitely hasn't happened, and because the trend is up on every single time frame, there's always a possibility that it just keeps on trending. As always, the trend is your friend, and if you trade with the higher time frame trend, you definitely do have a higher probability of having successful trades. So if it breaks to the downside, then trade it to the downside for a wave C, and then back up again for the continuation of the uptrend. If not, then don't even bother going short, but just continue to look for longs every single chance you get. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.